As Ola Electric opened its third purchase window, a price hike was seen in the S1 Pro model's price. Ola has hiked the price of the S1 Pro by Rs 10,000. The reason for this price hike has not been shared yet. The Ola Electric S1 Pro now comes at a price of 1.40 lakh, ex-showroom, HT Auto reported. The purchase window will remain open over the weekend. The EV manufacturing company also said that customers who have booked the e-scooters will be intimated via email. Earlier the Ola S1 Pro electric scooter was priced at 1.30 lakh, ex-showroom. This is the first price hike the company has introduced since the e-scooter made its debut last year in August. However, Moneycontrol could not independently verify this claim. The buzz around the S1 Pro model has helped Ola Electric to become the #1 manufacturer of electric scooters in less than a year according to industry estimates. Ola Electric's S1 Pro comes with a real-world mileage claim of 131 km in a range of 185 km under ideal conditions according to the Automotive Research Association of India, ARAI, data.